So for this last video, we're going to be talking about application problems. So again, with these application problems, it's really important just to highlight, circle, whatever you need to do to find those key information so it can help you build out your equation. So for this one, it says that Drew sold chocolate chip cookies at his club's bake sale. He spent $18.50 on supplies and charged 75 cents per cookie. If he made a profit of $24.25, how many cookies did he sell? So my first step is I always look to see what am I trying to find. And that's always in the last sentence. And then it is that I'm looking for how many cookies. So x is equal to number of cookies. Okay, now I'm going to look at some of the numbers that are in my equation. So I know he spent $18.50 on supplies. And he spent it, so I know that's taking away from his profit, so I know that's really going to be a minus $18.50. But then he charged 75 cents per cookie. Well, I know cookies, number of cookies, that's x, so I know that's going to be an x there. And he made a profit of $24.25. So in total he made that, so it's going to be my total. Well, I know my total, so $24.25 is going to equal to how he made that. Well, I know he made 75 cents per cookie. So each cookie he sold was getting 75 cents. I don't know how many cookies he made, so I just have x because it's every single cookie. And then he spent $18.50. So since he spent it, he lost that. So I need to subtract $18.50. And so that's my equation that I get. And then now I'm going to solve. So I'm going to add $18.50 to both sides. And so when I add $18.50 to both sides, I get $42.75 is equal to 0.75x. And then I need to get rid of that 0.75, so I need to divide both sides by that. So when I do 42.75 divided by 0.75, I get 57. So Drew sold 57 cookies. Okay, now let's look at a little bit of a different one. So it says a certain painting company charges $250 one-time fee plus $16 per hour. Another painting company charges a $210 one-time fee plus $18 per hour. How many hours does it take for the two companies to charge the same amount? So I'm going to first look at what I'm trying to find. And then I'm trying to find how many hours. So I know x is going to equal to number of hours. And I'm looking to see when the two companies charge the same amount. So I'm going to name my first one Company A and my second one Company B. So I need to create two equations for what they are charging. So let's say C is equal to charge amount. Well, for Company A, their charge amount is equal to, they do a $250 one-time fee plus $16 per hour. Well, my hours is x. So that means that it is 16x plus the $250 $1 fee they have. Where Company B, their charge amount they have a $200 one-time fee plus 18 per hour. So again, my per hour, that's x, so I have 18x plus 210. So my charge amount for Company A, that's 16x plus 250. For B, the charge amount is 18x plus 210. I'm looking to see when they charge the same amount. And so when they charge the same amount, it's when these two equations are equal to each other. So I have 16x plus 250 is equal to 18x plus 210. And then now I'm going to solve that. So I want to get all of my variables on one side, so I'm going to move the smaller one first. Subtract 210. Divide by 2. So x is equal to 20. So the answer here is 20 hours. So after 20 hours, both companies charge the same amount. Okay, number 14 is very similar to that last one. I want you to go ahead and pause the video and try doing that one on your own. So the answer that you should have gotten here was 25 hours. So setting up the same way, your two equations should have been 20x plus 500. The other one should have been 22x plus 450. And when you solve that, you get 25 hours. Okay, if you have any questions on this, please inbox me and I am willing to help. You can look at some of the extra examples just to look through more work. You can try that extra practice. If not, you can go ahead and go to the assignment and give it your best shot. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll talk to you guys later.